Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will be showing you how to make these lanterns, which are great for decorating during Ramadan or Eid or just any Islamic occasion. So to start off, you'll need 2 pieces of colored cardstock, a template, and you'll just go ahead and outline your template 4 times on each sheet for a total of 8. Next, taking a pair of scissors, you'll just go ahead and cut out all 8 of your outlines. So once you're done cutting out all of your outlines, you're just going to go ahead and fold your cutouts hot dog style. And here I'm just using a tool to help me get a cleaner crease. Next, using a glue stick, I'm going to go ahead and glue all of my pieces together in alternate colors. To add in your tassel, you're going to go ahead and add glue on one side, add in your tassel, and then seal the last 2 ends of your lantern together to complete the lantern. And there you have it, your first lantern is complete. So for your second lantern, you will need 3 pieces of colored cardstock, your second template, and you will go ahead and outline your template 3 times on each sheet for a total of 9. And just like the first lantern, you're just going to go ahead and get a pair of scissors and cut out all of your outlines. So just a heads up that this design is a little bit more tedious to cut out, but I think the results are worth it. Just as shown previously, you're going to take each of your cutouts and fold them hot dog style. Next, you're going to glue together your lantern using a glue stick, and you're going to alternate between all 3 colors. So once again, you're going to go ahead and add glue to one end, add in your tassel, and then seal the last 2 ends of your lantern together. For a finishing touch, I'm just punching some stars into my lantern. And your lantern is complete. 2 things. I will link a tutorial on how to make the tassels in the description below, as well as the templates I drew up. And that is a completed tutorial for these hanging lanterns. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.